Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and then in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a speed text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so I have my worksheet over here. Then I'll go ahead and then select the title and then type out the word that I want to use for this particular effect. So the word that I want to use is marathon. So with this, I would like to do it this way. Then press Command A or Control A and center the text. Nice. So after centering the text, I press Control T. Then I'll enlarge my text like this. So with that done, I just go to Filter, Stylize, and then select Wind. Where Photoshop will ask whether we like to convert it into a smart object or rasterize or cancel. But then with this effect, we'll go with the convert to smart objects. Over here, set the method to wind, set the direction from the right, and then click on OK. So if I zoom in, so that the effect has started taking place. So all that we need to do is to repeat this step multiple times. So to repeat it, just go to Filter and then check the first option over here. There will be a shortcut over here. So on Mac, it's Control Command plus F. So just click on OK. Just click on this and then click on OK again. Then if you remember the shortcut, Control Command F. Then click on OK. Let's repeat it again. Control Command F. And click on OK. Then we've repeated it multiple times and it has created the effect for us. So we have our speed text effect ready. Okay guys, so this is how to create a speed text effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, and then share with others. And also, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.